Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. Our lesson for today is Japanese adjectives used as verbs. Some Japanese adjectives are like verbs in English and that they take a subject and an object. For example, we have suki, suki, to like or to be fond of. And the other one is kirai, kirai, to be disgusted with or to dislike, kirai. Now this is the equation when we use the adjectives suki and kirai. Again, suki and kirai are adjectives in Japanese, but they are treated as verbs, okay? Because of the subject and object in the sentence. Here is the equation x wa y ga suki desu or x wa y ga kirai desu. X likes or like Y, X dislikes or dislike Y. Here X is the subject, Y is the object, okay? And then before kirai or suki, the particle ga is used, the direct object and then ga. Example sentence, Harurudo-san wa Nihongo benkyou suru no ga suki desu. Harurudo-san wa Nihongo o benkyou suru no ga suki desu. Harold likes studying Japanese. Now, if we want to say a lot or loves, it gives more emphasis on the word like. We add the kanji dai, dai. Suki desu becomes daisuki, daisuki. Harurudo-san wa Nihongo o benkyou suru no ga daisuki desu. Harold loves studying Japanese or Harold likes studying Japanese a lot. Daisuki desu. Harurudo-san wa Nihongo o benkyou suru no ga daisuki desu. Now, for the dislike, kirai desu. Watashi wa tabako ga kirai desu. Watashi wa tabako ga kirai desu. I dislike cigarettes. I dislike cigarettes. Now, to intensify the word dislike, we use hate, okay? It intensifies the word dislike to hate. We use also daikirai, daikirai. Tabako no nioi ga daikirai desu. Tabako no nioi ga daikirai desu. So, I hate the smell of tobacco or cigarettes. Well, we can use kirai desu if you just say I don't like. But if you really don't like, if you really do not like the smell of tobacco or cigarettes, you say daikirai, daikirai. It intensifies the word kirai. Another example, shizuka na basho, a quiet place. Shizuka na basho ga suki desu. Shizuka na basho ga suki desu. I like a quiet place. To say quiet and peaceful. Now here we have two adjectives describing a noun. Two na-adjectives. Quiet and peaceful. Okay? So this is how we do it. Shizuka na basho ga suki desu. We put Shizuka first here and then change the na to de and then add the word for peaceful. Because hewa is a na adjective, of course we add na before basho. What if it is an e adjective? Warm, atatakai. warm. So here, again, Shizuka de, we just change na to de, and then add atatakai. Atatakai, an adjective, we do not change anything. Shizuka de atatakai basho ga suki desu. So here, de serves as the word end between two adjectives. And again, atatakai, the e remains before the noun. Now what if we change position? The e adjective is first and then the na-adjective. Here, we're going to change i to kute. So, atataka kute, and then shizuka na. Again, we add na because it is the nearest to the noun. So, it becomes atatakute shizuka na basho ga suki desu. Okay? Atatakute shizuka na basho ga suki desu. I like a warm and quiet place. Add this na. Now, what if it is another e adjective? Enjoyable. So, the word for enjoyable is tanoshi. Again, we use tanoshi. We do not change anything. Atatakute tanoshi basho ga suki desu. Atatakute tanoshi basho ga suki desu. I like a warm and enjoyable place. Again, remember, change i to kute. Atatakute tanoshi basho ga suki desu. In context where we are contrasting two or more items, the particle wa is used instead of ga. Watashi wa tori niku wa sugi desu ga, gyu niku wa kirai desu. I like chicken but I dislike beef, or I don't like beef. Watashi wa tori niku wa suki desu ga, gyu niku wa kirai desu. I like chicken but I dislike beef. 私はコーヒーは好きですが、ソーダは嫌いです。I like coffee, but I dislike soda. 私はコーヒーは好きですが、ソーダは嫌いです。Okay, now we have the present negative. Do not like, does not like. Do not dislike, does not dislike. Double negative. So, X wa Y ga suki janai desu, or suki ja arimasen, or suki de wa arimasen. X wa Y ga kirai janai desu, or kirai ja arimasen, kirai de wa arimasen. Watashi wa souzou shi basho ga suki ja arimasen. Watashi wa souzou shi basho ga suki ja arimasen. I don't like noisy places. Or we can say dislike instead of don't like. So, I dislike noisy places. Watashi wa souzou shi basho ga kirai desu. Watashi wa souzou shi basho ga kirai desu. Now, for the double negative, I don't dislike her. She's just not my type of woman. 私は彼女嫌いじゃありません。I don't dislike her. 彼女は私のタイプの女性がありません。She's just not my type of woman. So here, you don't dislike her, but you don't like her also. Now for the past affirmative, we have like or dislike. X は Y が好きでした。or X は Y が嫌いでした。X liked Y or X disliked Y. 大学時代、友人教授が好きでした。When I was in college, I liked Professor Eugene. 大学時代、友人教授が好きでした。I liked, past tense. To say disliked, past tense, 嫌いでした。大学時代、友人教授が嫌いでした。When I was in college, I disliked Professor Eugene. 大学時代、友人教授が嫌いでした。 For the past negative, did not like or did not dislike, X wa y ga suki ja nakatta desu or ja arimasen deshita, de wa arimasen deshita. X wa y ga kirai ja nakatta desu or kirai ja arimasen deshita, kirai de wa arimasen deshita. Daigaku jidai Yujin Kyoju ga suki ja arimasen deshita. When I was in college, I did not like Professor Eugene. Daigaku jidai Yujin Kyoju ga suki ja arimasen deshita. Izen hataraite ita kaisha no joshi ga kirai ja arimasen deshita. I didn't dislike the boss of the company I used to work for. Izen hataraite ita kaisha no joshi ga kirai ja arimasen deshita. Now to say, I neither like nor dislike it, say, suki demo kirai demo nai desu. Suki demo kirai demo nai desu. I neither like or dislike it. I neither like nor dislike Professor. Kyoju ga suki demo kirai demo nai desu. Kyoju ga suki demo kirai demo nai desu. Now we can use ki and kirai as modifiers of nouns. First, ki, suki na tabemono. Suki na tabemono, favorite food. Watashi no suki na tabemono wa ramen desu. My favorite food is ramen. Watashi no suki na tabemono wa ramen desu. Favorite Japanese song. Suki na nihon no uta. Suki na nihon no uta. Nada so wa watashi no suki na nihon no uta desu. Nada so is my favorite Japanese song. Nada so wa watashi no suki na nihon no uta desu. Dislike teacher. Kirai na sensei. Kirai na sensei. 彼は大学時代の私の嫌いな先生です。He is my disliked teacher during college. 彼は大学時代の私の嫌いな先生です。He is my disliked teacher during college. Okay, I wanna thank you all for watching. If you have some questions or comments, please comment down below. And if you find my videos and my channel useful, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos of the Japanese grammar and the Japanese vocabulary in the near future. 見てくれてありがとう。また会いましょう。